Hello everyone, this is the CRT Productions, and this is my new ASUS TUF Gaming F17 gaming notebook. I just got home from picking it up at Best Buy, and I'm ready to take a look and see what's inside. I did remember to cover up my information there, so that's always a good thing. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. This is a model TUF706H with an Intel Core i5-11260H 6-core 12-thread processor and an RTX 3050 regular, 4 gigabytes of VRAM, not the Ti, so this will have similar performance to a 1650 Ti. We'll go ahead and cut that open and we'll see what's inside. There it is. Let's see. There we go. A little complicated to open, but never mind. So what is this little advertisement here? Oh, it's little stickers. Comes with some little stickers there, so that's nice. Alright, in addition to that, we've got a laptop, I believe. I'll come back to that in a second, because that's what we all came here for. Gotta keep up that suspense. So we've got some little information booklets there for your reading pleasure. Got some download links, etc. And underneath this big chunk of cardboard, we have a power brick. Pretty simple packaging. Pretty simple, basic power adapter. Very nice. Alright. It's a 20 volt, big boy, 180 watts. Alright. Let me get this out of the way. And we'll take a look at what we all came here for. It's inside this nice little cloth cover. Very nice. And there it is. So it's got this nice kind of aesthetic of being like a industrial style. It's like it's got some kind of bolts in it or something. The bottom is kind of unique. It's got plenty of ventilation. I like that very much. Plenty of ventilation, plenty of rubbery feet on the bottom, large rubber feet. Will keep it in place. Won't be sliding around. And let's see, it's got a little notch here on where you can open it up, which is very nice. Got two, I believe this has two fans. So it's got two vents on the back of it there. Yeah, and it definitely does. It has two CPU vents, CPU and GPU, I assume. And when we open it up, very nice. So there it is. It's got the clear WASD keys. And let me just test this keyboard out for you real quick. Feels pretty nice. The LCD screen looks nice. It's a non-glossy display, which I like very much. My old notebook I was using before had a glossy screen. I couldn't stand it. Honestly, that's one of the biggest things in a laptop that I look for, so that's very nice. Thin screen bezels, 144 hertz display, very nice. Let's go ahead and power it up, see if it's got any charge on the battery. Looks like it doesn't. It doesn't come charged, so let's get it plugged up and see what it'll do. Alright, I've got it plugged in. There's a little indicator light right there indicating that it's plugged up. So let's go ahead and press the power button and see what it does. So it's totally silent, absolutely no noise. Obviously our keyboard is lighting up. So it did a quick boot cycle there on the first startup. That's normal for a new PC. Now it's booting into Windows, it looks like. It says a 512 gigabyte NVMe SSD, so it should be lightning fast. And I assume it'll go into the first boot for Windows 10, which will give me some setup options. I believe that's Windows 11. So it said on Best Buy's website that this would include Windows 10, which I was a little bit surprised by since we've had Windows 11 out now for several months. But it looks like this is preloaded with Windows 11, so that's very nice.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on Narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features.
Okay, thank you. So I couldn't help myself. I got to throw in a quick little boot test here, see how quickly this thing can boot up. Not bad. So obviously I'll get this set up off camera, and I'll take a week or so to use it, get familiar with it, and I'll have a full review up on my channel very soon. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the like button if you enjoyed this quick unboxing and first impressions of the laptop. My first impressions are very nice. Keyboard feels nice. Trackpad is nice and large, and looks like it's working. So that's about all you can ask of from a touchpad. So there you go. So looking forward to using this laptop, and as I said, stay tuned for my full review coming soon on the channel. Thank you for watching, and stay safe out there.